always hear about detecting cancer early and how it's important for early detection of any cancer cells in your body, and how you should always get checked at the doctor. That said, there's only a few tests like pap smears, mammograms, lung screenings, and colonoscopies that can actually. There's like a few tests that can get early detection, right? As like at a cancer for cancer at a curable stage. Now there's like a new method or technology. Basically, it takes a blood sample for DNA fragments. It takes these blood samples and looks for fragments from more than 50 types of cancer. And I'm no cancer expert. I'm no doctor. I just read up on this, and it sounds interesting. It's basically easy. This sounds really convenient and less. I don't know if it sounds less stressful. It's like a simple blood draw. So when they draw your blood that one time, they can use your blood, to just test for 50 different types of cancer. I think its test is called the Galleri test or Galleri test. I don't know how this is pronounced. It's Galleri. So it tells your doctor if you have a signal for cancer, and also tells which organ it comes from. This could be really helpful for a lot of people. A lot of people find cancer late. It's very heartbreaking for a lot of people, or it's just really distressful when you look at it. Period. I mean, when people screen for cancer, they find out they have it. Whether it's early detection or not, it disrupts your life. And I've known people that have had it. I know people that died from it. I had a friend recently die from a rare form. It was caught in stage 4, and it was heartbreaking for me, because I believe with all my faith and belief that my friend would be healed. And after they detected it, they lived maybe a year and a half longer. It was very troubling for me. I'm still recovering, actually, because this was pretty recently. And in there, they had to basically get treatment in 2 different countries, which is sad because certain places spend more time or get more money to research certain cancers than other places. So my friend had to basically travel between U.S. and Mexico and Canada. So there's three different places basically. It was just very distressful, and it costs a lot of money. It really costs a lot of money. But I think this Galleri test will be a new breakthrough. I think it'll be really good. Basically, just draw your blood, and they say it helps diagnose 50 different types of cancer. They had a clinical trial that involved 6,000 people over 50, and they basically diagnosed 29 out of that 50 that didn't know they had cancers in their lung, in their ovary, their rectum, their neck, their breast, and pancreas. Wow, that's wow. That would be like wow. And then there were no other screening tests for a lot of these, like I guess lung, neck. I don't know about ovary. That's just a wow. It's called I guess they nickname it liquid biopsy. It's supposed to supplement other screening tools, and it's actually on the track for FDA approval. They say you can get it for $949 with a doctor's note, which is good, even though it's not FDA approved yet. They can actually still help you test. I think this is good for early detection without requiring other steps. I mean, sometimes they detect a lot of things just by looking at your blood, right? Whether you're diabetic, high blood pressure, a lot of things floating around in your bloodstream. I think this is very beneficial, and it'll probably help cure cancer faster, right? as it looks for signals in your blood and indicates cancer. The results can like show the body exactly where the cancer is, and this is the impressive part, like exactly which organ, and that's very impressive. I'm not a medical expert, but that sounds very impressive. And it can also help your healthcare provider help you decide, or they can decide what your next steps are. And I'm pretty much impressed by that. It's almost like it shortens the time trying to figure out what the problem is, because we all know if someone who's had cancer, those of us who experience people with cancer or who have had it ourselves, we all know the headaches and problems and hurdles that you have to jump over to figure out what it is. Because sometimes doctors, I don't know if some of them maybe not be versed on particular cancers or not know how to find them, and some misdiagnose, and time is of the essence in a lot of cases, and so a lot of people may feel they are failed by the medical system when it comes to addressing cancer. I think that tests like this are really needed, and every doctor should be trained when it comes to these new developments and detecting cancer. It can help you save lives and help avoid the stress of losing a family member or a friend or an associate that we know. So let me know what you think. Look it up. It's called the Galleri test. Galleri. I'll have it in the title. Look it up. It seems pretty promising. Don't forget to make a comment, and you can send me an email. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate you listening. Thank you very much.